Today, we are diving into a pretty serious wake-up call coming from a new report by Bob Slavek at Virtualization Options LLC. And we're not just talking about the AI you're used to hearing about. No, we're talking about the next evolution, these new autonomous agents, and the huge, urgent security challenges they're creating.
Just let that sink in for a second. What happens when it stops asking? We are rapidly moving from a world where AI is a tool we use to one where AI is an autonomous actor that does things on its own. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's the new reality we're building right now, and it completely changes the security game. All right, let's get into it. Before we even touch on all the risks, and believe me, we will, we first have to understand what makes this new type of AI so fundamentally different from everything we've seen before.
So, Agentic AI. The key thing to grasp here is that it doesn't just respond to you. You don't just give it a prompt and get an answer. It plans, it decides, and it acts all by itself to get to a goal. It's not a chatbot. It's more like a digital employee with its own mission.
This comparison here really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you have traditional AI, which is basically a passive tool. It needs you. It needs your input, your supervision. But on the other side, Agentic AI, that's a proactive worker. You can give it a high-level goal, like optimize our cloud spending, and it just goes and figures out how to do it. No need for you to look over its shoulder every 5 minutes.
So, you can probably see where this is going. How does this newfound freedom, this autonomy, create risk? Well, it's not just adding a few new features. It's creating a fundamentally new and much, much bigger attack surface for bad actors to play with.
And researchers are already flagging 3 major weak points that are pretty unique to these agentic systems. We're going to break down each one because this is where things get really dangerous. First up is memory poisoning, and this one is especially sneaky because it's not a big, loud hack. It's more like a slow corruption. An attacker can drip feed the AI subtle, false information over time until its whole understanding of reality is warped. It's like slowly turning your most trusted employee into an unwitting spy without them ever realizing it.
Now, an agent's real power comes from the tools you give it. But if that agent gets compromised, those same tools become weapons. I mean, just imagine an AI with access to your company email, your code repositories, your customer databases, and your cloud admin console. A hacker doesn't need to break into all those systems one by one. They just need to trick the one agent that holds the keys to the entire kingdom. And look, this isn't just a bunch of what-ifs. This stuff is already happening. The research highlights some real-world cases where these exact vulnerabilities led to some pretty catastrophic failures. So let's look at what happens when these systems actually get compromised. $2.3 million. That is the price tag for a single incident involving just one compromised AI agent. It's a shocking number, right? It really shows you how high the stakes are here. But let's break down how this even happened. So here's the story. An IT automation agent, one that was given way too much access, was slowly corrupted. For days, the bad things it was doing looked just like normal operations. But because it was autonomous and moving so fast, it kicked off a cascading failure that brought the whole organization to its knees. It took 18 frantic hours to clean up the mess. And if you think that was a one-off thing, think again. This isn't some isolated problem. Recent survey data shows that nearly 1 in 4 IT professionals have already seen AI agents get tricked into leaking sensitive credentials. This isn't a future threat. It's happening right now. Here's another case for you, this time involving straight-up fraud. $750,000. And the crazy thing is, the attackers didn't even have to break in. They just created a fake AI agent that looked real and used it to steal $750,000. So how'd they pull it off? They weaponized trust. First, they studied how the company's purchasing system worked. Then, they spoofed the identity of a procurement bot and just started approving fake purchase orders. To everyone else in the system, these transactions looked totally legit because they appeared to come from a trusted agent. It just sailed right past all the normal financial controls. Okay, so the threats are real, they are serious, and they are here. But it's not all doom and gloom. The research also lays out a really clear playbook for how we can all start building some effective defenses against these new kinds of risks. This is the million-dollar question every company should be asking itself right now. And the answer isn't just buying some new piece of software. It's about a whole new strategy, a multi-layered approach that treats these agents with the seriousness they demand. The core idea here is defense in depth. You can't just build one wall and hope for the best. You need security at every single layer. You've got to validate the prompts coming in. You have to monitor the AI's actual behavior, lock down the tools it can use, and secure the very infrastructure it's running on.
And this brings us to what might be the most critical shift in thinking. We have to stop seeing these agents as just code or software. They are non-human identities. Every single agent needs its own managed identity with its own access rights, its own permissions, and its own behavioral monitoring, just like you'd give a new human employee.
So here are the pillars of that defense. It all starts with identity. From there, you use context to grant access, not just static rules. You build in safety nets, like circuit breakers, that can automatically shut down a rogue agent. And finally, you log every single decision it makes in a way that can't be tampered with. So if something does go wrong, you have an unalterable trail to follow.
All right, let's bring this all home. Securing this new world of autonomous AI isn't just about preventing bad things from happening. It's really about creating a safe environment where we can unlock its incredible potential.
You know, this quote from the report really nails it. The goal isn't to slam the brakes on progress because we're scared. The goal is to build the guardrails that let us innovate safely, responsibly, and with confidence.
I'm just going to leave you with that final thought, because that's really what an AI agent is. It's the most powerful, most efficient employee you will ever hire. But if you don't secure it properly, it could also become your single biggest liability. The time to get prepared for that was yesterday.